find the square root of the given part. So we'll solve it one by one. So first part is 441 by 961. So we'll use the prime factorization method to solve the numerator and denominator separately. So in this, prime factors of 441 is equals to 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. So in this we have a pair of 3 and a pair of 7. So we take the 3 out from the under root here as 3 and 7 out from the under root. So 7. 3 into 7 becomes 21. And similarly for the denominator, that is 961. So 961 as a prime factor is 31 into 31. So taking the common 31 out of the root, we get 31 only. So the answer here is under root of 441 upon 961 is equals to 21 upon 31. Next part, that is 324 upon 841. So again 324 will have the prime factors 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So and there will be another 3, but due to typing mistake we do not have it. So there will be another 3 under the root. So that will become a pair of 2, a pair of 3 and a pair of 3. So this becomes 2 into 3 into 3, which will be is equals to 18. And for the denominator we have 841, which is equals to 29 multiplied by 29. So 29 will take a common out, so this will become 29 only. So the answer to this is the root of this is equals to 18 upon 29. Third part, that is 4 here and 29 upon 29. So this becomes 29 into 4 plus 29, which is equals to 225. So we'll again solve the numerator and denominator separately, and under root of 225 is equals to 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. These are the factors. So this gives us 3 as common, that is equals to 3, and 5 as common, that is 5. So 3 into 5 will have 15. And for the denominator, that is 49, and we know that 49 as a square root is equals to 7. So the answer is 15 by 7. Simplify. Simply in the fourth part we'll have it again, that 25 into 2, that is 50, and 50 plus 14 is 64, and 64 by 25. So this is the simple calculation, that under root of 64 is 8 and under root 25 is equals to 5. Question 1, part number 5. So in this we have mixed fraction. So 196 into 2 plus 137 gives us 529, and in the denominator we have 196. So we'll separately solve the denominator and the numerator. For the numerator, that is 529, we have the factors 23 into 23. So this is a common pair, so we'll take the 23 out of the under root. And under root 196, that is the denominator. In this we have prime factors 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. So this becomes 2 from here and 7 from here, that is 2 into 7, which is equals to 14. So we can write it as 2 of 137 by 196 under root is equals to 23 by 14. part number 6. So in this we have 23 of 26 by 1 to 1. So 23 multiplied by 121 plus 26 gives us 2809. So 2809 is the square of 53, and 1 to 1 we know that it is a square of 11. So by solving separately we'll have the answer 53 by 11. The next is 25 of 54 upon 729. So 729 multiplied by 25 plus 54 gives us 18769 upon 729. So in this we'll use the long division method to solve the numerator, that is here. So in this will form the pair of 6, 9 and 8, 7, and 1 is alone, so 1 into 1 is 1, so remainder here is 0. So we have 87 from the above, and 1 plus 1 is 2, and we have chosen 3 to multiply, so 23 into 3 is 69. So 87 minus 69 gives us 18, and 26 here, because 23 plus 3 is 26, and I have taken 7, so 267 multiplied by 7 gives us 1869, and the remainder is 0. Therefore under root 18769 is equals to 137. Here. And the under root of 7 to 9 by the prime factorization we get it as 27. So this is the answer. Next part, that is 75 of 46 by 49. So 49 multiplied by 75 plus 46 gives us 3721. So we'll solve the numerator by long division method. So 3721 is here. We have formed the pair. So for the 37 pair we use 6. So 6 into 6 is 36, and 37 minus 6 is 1. So we have written 1 here, and we know that 6 plus 6 is 12, and we choose on the unit place is 1. So 121 multiplied by 1, which is 1 to 1. So hence the remainder is 0 here. So this gives us 61 as the under root of 3721. So this gives us 61 here, and we know that 49 under root is equals to 7, because 7 into 7 is 49. Next question, or the next part, that is 2209 into 3 plus 942. So this gives us 57569 upon 2209. So in this we have to solve again separately the numerator and denominator, and this time we'll use for the both the long division method. So for the numerator, that is 7569, here is the steps. So 69 pair and 75 pair. So 8 into 8 is 64, 75 minus 64 is 11, and 8 plus 8 is 16. So 7 at unit place, so 167 into 7 gives us 1169. So the remainder is 0. Therefore answer to the under root of 7569 is 87. So we have here 87. So similarly for 2209, we have a pair of 09 and 22. So 4 into 4 is 16, and 22 minus 16 is 6. So we have taken 09 from above and 4 plus 4 is 8. So 8 and 7 on the unit place, so 87 into 7 gives us 609. So this remainder is 0, therefore 47 is the under root of 2209. So therefore 47. Next part, that is 3 of 334 by 3025. So 3025 multiplied by 3 plus 334 gives us 73441. So this will become, after solving this mixed fraction, we have the simple fraction as this: 73441 upon 3364. So solving separately the numerator and the denominator by long division method, we get 97 by 55. So this is the steps. So in 9409 we have the pair of So in the next part we have 3 of 334 by 3025. So in this we'll have 3025 multiplied by 3 plus 334 will give us, so there is a typing error here, so this will give us 9409 upon 3025. So in this we'll solve the numerator and denominator separately by long division method. For 9409 we have pair of 09 here and pair of 94 here. So 9 into 9 is 81 and 94 minus 81 is 13 and 09 from the above. So 9 plus 9 is 18 and we have chosen 7 here, so 187 into 7 gives us 1309. So remainder is 0, therefore 97 under root of 9409 is equals to 97. And for the denominator we have 3025, so 25 pair and 30 pair. So 5 into 5 is 25, so we are having the remainder 5 and 25 from the above. 5 plus 5 is 10, so we have taken 5 here, so 105 multiplied by 5 gives us 525. So remainder is 0, therefore the under root of 3025 is equals to 55. So this is our answer. So the next part is 21 of 2797 upon 3364. So converting this mixed fraction into simple rational number, we get 3364 multiplied by 21 plus 2797, which gives us 73441 upon 3364. And in this again we'll solve the numerator and denominator separately by long division method. So for the numerator we have 7341 and 4 4 1. So for this 4 1 have a pair, 3 4 has a pair, and 7 is alone. So we'll use 2. So 2 into 2 is 4. So 7 minus 4 is 3, and 3 4 from the top. So 2 plus 2 is 4, and we have added 7 on the unit place. So 47 into 7 gives us 329, and 334 minus 329 is equals to 5, and 41 from the above. So, and we have here 47 plus 7 is 54. So 54 and 1 is on the unit place. So 541 multiplied by 1 gives us 541. Hence the remainder becomes 0. Therefore 271 is the under root of 73441. Hence we have written it here. And for the 3364, that is the denominator part, we have 5 into 5 is 25. Then 33 minus 25 is 8, and 64 up from the above. So 5 plus 5 is 10, and 8 we have taken on the unit place and multiplied it by 8. So 108 into 8 gives us 864. Hence the remainder is 0. So 58 is the under root of 3364. So the answer is 271 upon 58. Next part, that is 38 of 11 upon 25. So 25 into 38 plus 11 gives us 961, and from the prime factorization we know that 961 is a perfect square of 31, and 25 is a perfect square of 5. So we can say that the answer is equals to 31 upon 5. Next part, that is 23 of 394 upon 729. So 729 multiplied by 23 plus 394 gives us 17161. So solving for numerator and denominator, we get for the numerator, that is 17161. By long division method, we have 61 pair, 71 pair, and 1 is alone. So 1 into 1 is 1, hence the remainder is 0 here. So 71 from the above. So 1 plus 1 is 2, and 3 we have taken on the unit place. So 23 into 3 is 69. So 71 minus 69 gives us 2, and 61 from the above. So here we come, 23 plus 3 is 26, and on the unit place we have taken 1. So 261 into 1 is 261, which is becomes 0. So the under root of 17161 is equals to 131. So this is the answer. And for the denominator, we have we'll use the prime factorization for the denominator. So for the 729, we'll have 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 main by 3 by 3 under root. So in this we have 1 pair, 2 pair, and 3 pair of 3. So this becomes 3 into 3 into 3, which is equals to 27, and hence we have the answer. Here it will be a 7. So 131 upon 27, or in a mixed fraction we can write it as 4 of 23 by 27. next part, that is 21 of 51 upon 169. So 169 multiplied by 21 plus 51 gives us 3600. So we know that under root of 3600 is 60, because 00 we can pair out as a 0, singular 0, and under root of 36 is 6, so it is a 60. And for 169 it is a perfect square of 13, so here we'll have the answer. The last part, that is 210 of 151 upon 225. So 225 into 10 plus 151 gives us 2401 upon 225. So solving numerator and denominator separately by prime factorization we get, so prime factors of 2401 is 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. So we'll form the pairs, this one pair and another pair. So there is a 2 pair of 7, so we'll take 2 7 common out, so this becomes 7 into 7, which is equals to 49. For the denominator, that is 225, we have 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. So a pair of 3 and a pair of 5. So taking 3 common and 5 common, we get 3 into 5 is equals to 15. So the answer will be 49 by 15, or in a mixed fraction we can write it as 3 of 4 by 15.